Hi, grade nines. I'm going to teach you how to set up your document so that it is in the proper MLA formatting for your writing in English class. So, the first thing that you should do is change your font to Times New Roman and then make it a 12. Your next step after that is to make sure your page is double spaced. So, go to Format, line and paragraph spacing, and then choose double. Next up, the first thing that goes on your page is your name. So I am going to make up a name, and currently I can hear my kitten. And so I am going to pretend that she is a student, Luna Lee. That is her name. The next name is your teacher. So in this case, me. So you're going to put Ms. Gultner. Hit enter. Then you're going to put your course code, which is ENG1D. Oops. After that, you're going to put the date that the assignment is due. So let's say that this assignment is due October, October 14th, 2022. So you have the heading done. Next up, you need to do your title. And so your title needs to be centered. And so your title, you want to give the first part a little topic about what the topic is, and then the second part can be a little bit about what you're going to explore. So, for example, the exemplar that you got from Thank You, Ma'am, mine was about the what was her name, Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones, and so I'm just going to copy the title that I used over here. And so if you see the topic of my paragraph is Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones, then I have this colon here indicating that there's more to the title, and then I focus on her kindness as a stranger. Hit enter again. Make sure you go back up and left justify it, tab, and then start typing your spec. There's one more thing that I would like to do. You will notice that on my exemplar up in the corner here, I have the student's last name and page number. So how do you do that? You are going to go to Insert and then scroll down to Page Numbers. Then you're going to pick the one where it puts it at the top right-hand corner, and it pops up right there. Then you're going to move your cursor so it's to the left, and then you will type your last name. It automatically reverts back to Arial 11 font, so just change that back, Times New Roman, and there you go. And the reason I made you put it up in the header is when you get to work that is longer than one page, it automatically, as soon as you get on to the second page, if you take a look, it automatically puts your last name at the top right-hand corner and also automatically numbers it for you. So there you go, the setup of an MLA page for your analytical writing in grade 9 English.